Hi everyone, this is a quick video for my garlic mushrooms with chili. Really great take on just some normal mushrooms, add a bit of chili spice into it and you've got something really tasty for lunch or for dinner. So in my recipe I'm using fresh thyme, fresh rosemary from the garden. I've also got some garlic cloves, some mushrooms. You can have button mushrooms or chestnut mushrooms, whatever you fancy, and I've done some chili as well in there, some chili flakes or fresh chili, but I find that chili flakes kind of works nicer with this. So I just put some butter and a little bit of olive oil in a pan, so I kind of melt that together, add in my mushrooms, and then you kind of add in your garlic, and you want to add in all those herbs and spices as well. So mix that all in together. So you don't want to cook it for too long because you don't want the garlic to burn. So you just want to flavour the oil with the garlic and the herbs as well. This is really tasty. I've added loads of herbs in there because I love using loads of different kind of flavours in there, and it just kind of accentuates it even further. So add in the chili flakes, so kind of just a pinch of chili flakes depending on how hot you like them. It's a really nice different idea for brunch or something if you like a little bit of spice for your brunch or on toast. This is a great dish, or even as a side dish with a main, like a piece of grilled chicken or something, or grilled fish. It goes really nice with that. So really tasty, and it's pretty much kind of a quick dish to make. So hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home. Let me know what you think, and the recipe details and everything is in my blog on tastebushes.com. Enjoy!